Hi to everyone in the Elaine community. Welcome to our second Merit Assembly for the spring term. I've been in school this week and it's been so good to see some very familiar faces. So if you're watching this in school today, I miss you all. I'll be joining in some Zooms again next week for year 6. So I look forward to seeing as many of your faces next week as possible. I hope everybody at home is enjoying your learning journeys for half term, as I know that all the adults in the school are working extremely hard to make sure that you have the best education possible in these very, very difficult circumstances. I've seen some amazing learning this week right across the school, from the children in year 4 who brought me their examples of the blending that they've been practicing in art, to so many examples of your work that you've been doing at home, that you've been getting adults to take photos of and email into us. It's just been lovely. There's far too many examples to mention right now, but please keep them coming because all the adults are really enjoying seeing the work that you're producing at home. Right, let's get on with celebrating some of our learners from this week. Let's start up in EEC. Miss Macklin's been up there this week, and I know that Miss Macklin spoke to all the members of staff, and they've nominated Logan for showing excellence and resilience in his learning for this week. So well done, Logan. And in Ash class, I know Miss Parran has been covering while Mr. Stewart's not been in this week. And Miss Parran has said that Oliver has given fantastic effort with all his learning this week, especially in science, when planning the purpose of different parts of a plant, and has created a great diagram to go along with it. So well done, Oliver. Also Kenzie for having resilience with all his learning this week and for maintaining a positive attitude even when things have been a little bit bit tricky. Sorry, got my tongue tied there a little bit. So well done, Kenzie. Over to year 1. I know that Miss Lichty and Miss Whiting have nominated Summer for her enthusiasm and perseverance when completing her home learning this week. You went above and beyond to take on new challenges in maths and was able to use your number bonds to 10 and number bonds to 20 to solve tricky problems. And Miss Lichty forwarded me a copy of the learning that you've been doing there in maths, and it looks really impressive. So well done, Summer. To Kinsley for excellent home learning. You've tried really hard with your handwriting, and you've been really creative making things like bird feeders at home, so well done. And to Chase for demonstrating leadership and integrity in all your learning this week. You've been so confident and you've shown great motivation, so keep it up. Well done, Chase. Over in year 2, we've got Terry from Sapphire for her fantastic attention to detail when stenciling wheels and cogs for her remote art learning this week. Amy from Topaz for showing our character skill of mindset when practicing your 2, 5 and 10 times tables this week. It's been fantastic to see your hard work in the videos you've sent through on Google Classroom, so well done. And to Louie as well for demonstrating the character skill of relationships. You've shown kindness to all your peers and you've been very helpful, so well done to all you children in year 2. In year 3, Miss Johnson has nominated Megan for her continuous hard work. Megan's taken leadership of her own learning this week by asking questions to further her understanding, so keep up the good work, Megan. And to Blade for displaying resilience and collaboration with your work this week. It's been lovely to see all the great learning that you've been producing. Well done, Blade. In year 4, Miss Oller and Miss Swire have nominated Leo for showing a great growth mindset in maths and demonstrating excellence in art. And again, it was lovely to see your pictures sent in to us on Twitter. Alfie for demonstrating our value of excellence with your home learning this week. You've developed a great growth mindset and have been successful with your work. And to Teddy for excellent blending and layering when using watercolors this week. You focused on the colors and the shapes that our artist uses and created a beautiful mood board. And that's really, really lovely. I think they were all really impressive in year 4. So well done to all the children that did those mood boards and came and showed me as well. In year 5, Miss Lacker has nominated Kai, who's shown great enthusiasm in his home learning this week, showing active engagement in the Zoom calls and producing fantastic work. So keep it up, Kai, well done. And it's really lovely speaking as somebody who's been on the other end of those Zoom calls when the children really ask questions and take part in it. It makes it so much more engaging. So thank you, Kai. And to Daisy, you've shown all the values that and have been a fantastic role model this week. So well done, Daisy. And finally, in year 6, Miss Brake and myself would like to nominate Charla May for her active engagement with your own home learning. It's been lovely to see all the work that you've completed at home, so well done, Charla May. To Michaela, who's been in school, for all the hard work that you've shown in class this week, and for always looking for ways to take responsibility to improve all your work. Well done, Michaela. And I haven't got a shoddy cameraman this week, so my picture's a little bit steadier than the images on last week's video, but I look forward to you recording one of me very soon. And to Livy for showing an excellent growth mindset and a positive attitude towards her home learning and putting in tremendous efforts every single day. And again, thank you to Livy and Leo's mum for making sure that those videos and your pictures reach us on Twitter every day as well. So well done to everybody. That's it for our merits this week. I really look forward to seeing as many of you again as soon as possible. Please keep up the excellent efforts that you're putting in so far. We've got a long way to go in this term, and it would be great to see as many of you as possible on those Zoom calls next week. Have a lovely weekend, and we'll see you soon. Take care.